So this is the main entry and exit for our newly launched property, that is Swaparnika Ashiana. This is the complete 4.15 acres of land parcel of Swaparnika Ashiana property. This is the model apartment what we are entering into. This is the studio apartment, which is a fully furnished apartment which we are offering to our customers. So this is the smallest dimension studio apartment what we have built as a model. It will be loaded with all fittings and fixtures. It is a room with one toilet and one balcony. So now we are entering into the smallest dimension 1 BHK apartment. This is the smallest dimension 1 BHK, which is also a fully furnished apartment with a Juliet balcony and one separate room. You will be getting a modular kitchen in the apartment, what you can see over there. One toilet and one separate room you will be getting. All the doors inside the apartments are Tata Steel door what we have used in this apartment. Now we are entering into the model apartment of 2 BHK, which is a fully furnished apartment. This is the modular kitchen what the customer will be getting in this apartment. A refrigerator, 2 balconies customer will be getting in this 2 BHK apartment. This is the first room, which includes bed, mattresses, everything you will be getting. Television customer will be getting in this apartment. Cupboards. This is the master bedroom, where you will be getting the cot, mattresses, cupboards, and one balcony with utility area. Now getting into the reality how the property will look like once it will be ready. So as we have already discussed, this is gonna be the main entry and exit for our property, and this is the Simetanhalli and Chansandra road, which connects to your state highway and national highway. So in this property we are gonna have 5 towers which will be interconnected: tower A, B, C and D. Here comes your swimming pool, your children's play area, your outdoor gym, your half basketball court and an amphitheater. This is how the property will look like from outside. The property has been designed very beautifully. which consists of all amenities. This is your Chansantra and Simatanhalli main road.